Brother, if you are also one of those people who, despite watching a lot of videos about Outlier on YouTube, still haven't got any clarity and are still confused about Outlier in your mind, then trust me, today's video is nothing less than a blessing for you. See, I have observed that there are many videos about Outlier on YouTube, but since the same topic is explained in different videos just for views, you guys are unable to understand Outlier properly. In today's single video, I will explain everything about Outlier from A to Z, after which you will never need to watch another video on this topic again. So, without wasting any time, let's watch this valuable video together. First, let's understand what Outlier actually is. See, it is a US-based edtech company that works on online education and AI-based learning solutions. This means their work is not only interesting but also future-oriented. The company claims that they want to take traditional education to the next level, something like instead of going to a classroom, your AI teacher will teach you. Sounds like science fiction, right? But brother, this job can change your life. It doesn't matter how much you have studied. It doesn't matter whether you have learned coding or not. It doesn't matter how much experience you have. You all can apply and work, and you can earn up to $35 per hour. Yes, you heard that right. $35 per hour. You just need to take Outlier seriously. Now let me show you the complete process of applying on the live website and getting qualified. First, click on the link given in the description and visit the official website. After reaching here, you will see an interface like this. Now check whatever I have said about the company, then click on View Opportunity. Now you will see many job openings. First, click on Location and select your country. For example, I selected India. Now the jobs are filtered according to your location. The first jobs that appear are the ones that do not require any coding or technical skills. These are subjective tasks, and you can choose them based on your interest, such as math, biology, music, or any subject you like. Both freshers and experienced candidates can apply. Next comes jobs for coders, followed by language-based jobs for those who want to do simple tasks in their native language, such as Hindi, English, Tamil, Marathi, etc. To apply, click on the job you want to do. Here you will see the qualification, requirements, and payment details. Now click on Apply Now. Then click on I agree and sign up with Google. Now the profile will be completed in 5 simple steps. 1. In the Create Account step, fill in your basic personal details. 2. In the Account Verification step, verify your mobile number and email. 3. In the Experience step, enter your current or previous company details. If you don't have any experience, skip this step and move to ID verification. Now this is where most people make mistakes and fail verification. Listen carefully. If you have ever created an account on Outlier using that ID before, the verification will not be successful. Many people ask, I used my Aadhaar card before. Will it work if I use my PAN card now? No friends. It will still get detected and the verification will fail even if you have deleted your previous account. I suggest that everyone upload their PAN card as it will get verified the fastest. Now click on Start Verification, then select the document you want to upload. I will select the PAN card. The verification must be done via phone. Either scan this barcode or send the link to the email logged in on your phone. It's simple. Upload your ID, complete the face verification, and submit it. The verification process may take 2 to 5 days. After that, you will land on a dashboard where you need to submit assessments and practice tasks. As always, I will soon provide all the answers to Outlier's assessments, but not here on my Telegram group. So if you are new, the link is given in the description. Join the group now where you get almost all freelancing test answers for free. I am sure my hard work in this video is clearly visible to you all and I have provided you with valuable information. Soon I will upload a video where I will complete a live task and show you all the steps. So make sure to subscribe to the channel.